एक केस मैं आपको शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. यू विल नॉट बिलीव, विद इन अ डे जो मेरे पास आया था with recurrent cold and cough. Patient's mother called me that the child slept very peacefully in the whole night. Hello, let me share a case. जो एक 10 साल का बच्चा था, and the points which I would like to mention in this case would be resilience, the patient's trust on us, the patient's belief in homeopathy, and how a medicine helped the child, and at times you should not change the medicine frequently. So ये सब topics हम cover करेंगे इस case में. Last 1.5 months was very hectic for us. There was lot of viral patients and we were really occupied in treating them. So उसमें से एक case मैं आपको share करना चाहता हूँ. So this was a 10 years of child जो मेरे पास आया था with recurrent cold and cough. So we initially gave the medicine like Silesia. Child was not recovering only. Then we changed the medicine during this period. Medicines like arsenic iode, Merxol, Pulsatilla, Lycopodium, CPA were given. But the child's cough was not reducing. थोड़े time के लिए कम होता है, but again he is falling ill. Patient's mother came to me. She said कि sir, I have a very full faith on you. आप please इस case को लीजिए and we want to get treated and cured under homeopathy because our past experience with you has been very positive. So here I deeply studied this case, and then during this season the medicine which came to forefront was belladonna. Along with that, one important feature which I noticed while examining the throat was there were white spots on the tonsil, and ignatia was the medicine which came, and the child also used to fear a lot from the disease. So in this way, ignatia was given as an intercurrent in the night, and the belladonna medicine was given as the main medicine. And you will not believe, within a day, the next day, the patient's mother called me that the child slept very peacefully in the whole night. So this is result of homeopathy. At times we say that homeopathy is not working. No. At times our opinion, our judgment gets mixed up. That is the result. The homeopathic medicine is not working. But homeopathy as a system is very perfect. You need a proper doctor and a proper experience. So through this case, this were the points which I would like to share you. Cat कि पेशेंट का अगर ट्रस्ट अगर आपके डॉक्टर पे अगर भरपूर रहेगा, then God and the nature helps you get cured. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for such important cases. Thank you so much.